the Hossivator and his trusty sidekick collie. They've determined that this should be our next area to excavate, turn into a terraced garden. Jeez, buddy, sorry. He's like, I got work to do, Dad. I got work to do. I got work to do. I gotta keep these nails filed down, huh? You can move some earth, brother. You're moving some earth, Hoss. Oh, good boy. Get it, get it, get it, get it. Come on, Collie. Hey, help out. Come on, get it, get it, get it. Come on, help him. Come on, Collie. Get it. No, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Get it, get it, get it, get it. It's right here. Right here. Oh, that's a good boy. You really take this job serious, brother. You know, she's over here taking a break. You know, if you want something done, you got to do it yourself. Man, that's a big rock, Hoss. Good job, buddy. Yeah. Ooh, that's a big one. Yeah, good job. Oh, buddy, good boy. Yeah. Yeah. So what he's doing is he's aerating the soil for me, and he's creating a terraced garden. He's creating microclimates. Hoss is like the permaculture guru. He says, I know how to do this stuff. Dig holes. Dig holes. Apply poop. Apply pee. Throw the dirt downhill. And Holly, you gonna help now? All right, she's back to work. Good job. Good job. That's a good job, Hoss. You're in the wrong spot, Collie. That's a good girl. You're getting it, huh? Getting it. Good girl. Get it, get it, get it. Get it, get it, get it. Good girl. Good girl. Hoss, you are doing an awesome job, buddy. Yep. I gotta put barriers in, or they'll just go crazy directions. I mean, you know, they don't care. Their little mantra is, "Let me at it, let me at it." Huh? Good job, buddy. Yep. Uh-oh, Hoss. Don't tell nobody. You're being a terracist. Huh? A terracist? Oh, was she not doing it right? Was she not doing it right, buddy? Okay. Good job, guys. Good job.